When creating an alert on TradingView, there are many different conditions to set. So we are creating an alert on Qualcomm right now, and you see condition price. It can be an indicator, a moving average. We'll get to that later. And here it's crossing up and down. So let me set a price level just to show you. You see here the alert is at 170. If price moves up, or I moved it now, if price moves down, that alert will trigger. Now, if I change that to crossing up only, if price here, let me show you with a brush, drops down, then the alert will not be triggered. Why? Because the condition was when price is crossing up from this level here, 156. If I change it to crossing down, it will work. So you understand many different conditions to set, and there are more than these simple crossing ones that we'll get to in another video. More complicated trading ranges, inside, outside, moving up a given percentage, etc. You can trigger every time it happens, not just once. So whenever that condition happens again, then the alert will trigger again. You can set different expirations. The open-ended one, you need the premium plan on TradingView to get that. So these are alerts that never die. You can change the message that you get. You can add placeholders, the ticker, the exchange, and so on. So these are placeholder details that when the message is sent, these little placeholders will say NASDAQ, Qualcomm, NASDAQ, etc. And where to get notified. So maybe I don't want the toast notifications. Maybe I want an email. Maybe I want a webhook. You need a URL here that accepts webhooks. A different sound. And so on. So alerts on TradingView, not as simple as just right click, add alert. Many settings. Play with them, test them out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.